somebody.
I feel like I look outside. Like imagine man to Jordan on my baggage. Mauti Pugola Pepes.
Hey, Jesus level. Hey, blood of Jesus. Waking over time. Okay, sorry.
Hey, you know, guys, me now when you 2020 South Africa, you win the World Cup.
2020.
Can't be celebrate it go. My tall muntu o la ngekho right.
Vela awubona wena utaxi driver right like
Honestly speaking, against African teams, they do well. Now we playing in Panama.
Yeah.
But playing 1-1. And the way Batanga corner, for me, it's not convincing enough for the win against Mexico.
If it was you, Tandana Numuntu, such disease come and then now she's a granny. What are you doing? I want to know about these guys. This is serious, guys. I'm born to hear a poem in Panama. But she's singing, but she's skinny.
At least if Belling she's
Yeah.
No Cap Podcast. Up next.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of No Cap, guys. If you're new, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time I drop, guys, you'll be notified. If you're new, guys, it's me, aka Mvana Wadamboti. If you wanna know what does that mean, see you in the DMs. See you in there. So yeah, guys, today we have a special guest, guys. He's the guy who's been doing 18 area. So I think because people have been asking him about bringing the show back, about soccer, the predictions, how the the match goes and everything. Somehow, so he can cook with because of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Maybe 4-4-2, or maybe they were striking because of whatever. Things like that. Soccer related. So he's very good when it comes to that. If you are watching these and you know much about soccer while you're around Freedom Park and everything, we still need 2 more. I can say 2 more people who knows about soccer, guys. So we can push 18 area back on. So yeah, man, this is a chance for you. If you love soccer that much, we do have a spot for you. Please come through. Zbuda is the host of 18 area. So yeah, man. I did introduce myself. Today we're gonna go like this because mostly I jumped. So Zbuda gonna be the last person to introduce himself.
Of it is your point with a hero, aka Mama Spoy.
I'll choose. What's in this singing?
Sambalan bafethu madimpuzilona intombi yakwaZulu intombazane enesmayile esihle endiyangi intombazane encansi ngiyona.
Hayi Jarat bazungu.
Bafethu ngingakhohlwa ke like and comment man. Ngiyakhohlwa.
Of course.
Support you means
I before we go to Ntsako, I saw there's something that I posted on my status. They say Zugichi, a lot of people they comment on like celebrities and everything. Celebrities don't need those things. They don't even know you. So if ever we have like 300 views, for an example, we should have 300 likes as well, because people who are watching, they should be supporting us. But I'm not busy about Drake. Hey, but busy about opinion. Drake don't care. We care about you. So leave your comment there, leave your like, guys. It means a lot to us. Ntsako, take it on, Ndwana.
Sanman Buffett, local man, Ntsako Mabuzi,
Away. Then, last but not least, guys, our special guest. Take it on, Ndwana.
Special guest.
You are a special guest. What's wrong with this guy?
No, I'm not. Sanbonan, guys. Minjani mfukile nina mina sibusiso wakachao.
Away, guys. So, we were supposed to shoot a pod 1880 actually. I was supposed to be, I don't know if I'm a guest or what on his show. Yeah, man. But like, there's a little bit of a delays and everything. Then we're like, you know what? Let's hire him on No Cap. At least we can have a guest. Yeah, man. So we really appreciate you coming through, bro. I hope even if you do have your own show, you can be like a regular here and there, pop up, 1 or 2 days. So guys, because he's a soccer super fan, we've been fighting about the squad going to FIFA. We're even celebrating with squad. You still remember, guys?
Yes.
Then we did qualify for FIFA World Cup. Then our first match is playing on the 11th. Yeah, it's playing on the 11th against Mexico. So I want to know from you guys. Okay, first question is, have you ever played with Mexico before?
Yeah, it's one with the session. It's a meet and already. First time.
It's the second time.
It's the second time?
First time.
16 years. 2010.
Drop.
1-1.
Okay, it was draw.
Yeah.
2010.
The first goal, the famous...
You know, guys, me now when you 2010 South Africa, I win the World Cup.
2020?
Can't be celebrate it go.
No, it's just a goal. It's just a goal. No, but like you know, because we are not used to, we are used to winning a rugby. It's a thing now.
Yeah.
I think we took close to 3 or 4.
I think it's 4.
It's 4, exactly. Exactly, is good. Thank you. 4 World Cups. So to us, it's like we normalize it. Ingati ngabo Barcelona or those big teams on top, like Spain or Ban. Which it's a thing.
Amara the way Mzansi bo happy ngakona.
The way it was shaking.
Oh, it was the first goal of the World Cup, so obviously.
Oh, Marayo, like angazi maybe 7-10 years young ngicabanga sawini World Cup kanti into ya celebrate 2010 igoli ngaSimphiwe Shabalala.
Yeah, it's just a goal.
Yo, amara sinehaba ke.
So I want to know from you, Bibone, and the rest of the team. Doesn't have to go in a line, but like, I'm just saying, which do you think last week in 16 years back, right?
16 years.
We played draw with Mexico. Right now it's a new squad now.
Yeah. And the squad is
she's. So like, what do you think prediction yako ng 11? Manje, yadala manje.
I mean, South Africa is winning because they score maybe over 2-1. Yeah, 2-1.
Why do you have such a confidence?
Nguthi like phela ama players ophethe manje abomfukeki. Jersey number 10. Yeah. Abona like yeah man, yo.
So you're saying we're winning
2-1.
For sure.
For sure. 2-1.
I don't even know which Ilona, but like I will hear from Zbura if ever we do have a lineup your squad which in Meganjan. And Donna, what's in the prediction to Mexico?
Hi.
So Buchara or Wezagalan?
I'm feeling like it's a draw.
I'm going back to
if not 1-1. 2-2.
Are you saying we're going back to 2010 and then?
Yeah.
I wanna confidence on what we have right now, what we have cooked and then.
Confident, go on.
Guys, Petable TLP.
Eish!
Yeah, but I'm feeling like it's 2-2, guys.
2-2.
Yeah.
Draw.
Draw.
When I tell you how cheeky you could throw it.
I draw. Bakhona bomfukeng bashisa bazocross lapha too.
And then it's like
I know mina ama-team wethu azoscore but
Yeah, done.
2-1.
Yo, done. Yo.
Because
uWilliam Nyaka azayishaya i-clean sheet.
Yo, done.
But azoscore wethu.
Yeah.
2-1.
2-1.
He score prediction.
I guess Mina will be against. We're not in, Mr. Tom.
I say a win. I think first match is going to be a win because we are excited, we were hungry, and I remember we were this close. We were in 2026 World Cup. That's why, like, even like a lot of people are even like celebrating. Just we have qualified to go to. I think we're gonna win. It's either it's 1-0 or 2-1.
Yeah, then it means Mina will be against.
Okay, and then we're not.
South Africa will win. They win gonna be.
Why?
I am from South Africa.
Yeah. What? Okay, why so? Why are you saying?
South Africa against European teams. Mexico is from North America.
Yeah.
So against those teams from Europe out there, like Basuleg, because honestly speaking, against African teams, they do well. Now we playing in Panama.
Yeah.
But playing 1-1. And the Wabatanga corner, for me, it's not convincing enough for the Banga to win against Mexico. But honestly, if Ba win against Mexico, I'd be happy. But now I'm just giving.
So like, how bad is like Mexico according to you guys? Like, you know.
Yeah, angisazi squad Mexico.
How bad is
Just
Mexico?
excited ukuthi
It's not,
siyodlala nje.
Mexico is not that good against South Africa. He bad.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
namantombazane wakhona yo shaya
In Mexico.
ayibanyana 5-0.
Hey, now you're scaring me now. What are you saying, bro?
5-0.
abangashisa amantombazane bajideni
In Mexico, it was Japan. Not me.
Akusi Japan
Mexico
win
leya.
i World Cup. Yini kambe winile i World Cup ye ladies.
Spain.
Because we so like ba compare nama fans ukuthi why bazodlalisa ibanyana ne team ewini World Cup whilst baya ku AFCON. Why bangabadlalisanga at least nama team wa the side nan. Like it was bound to happen ukuthi bashayiwe nje.
Same thing with Bafana. You know, if you want to compete, your friendlies, you must play against European teams. Because you play against Nigeria, you win, and then you think, right, we are ready for whatever competition.
Yeah.
So it's best to go to those top teams so that you can see
Yeah.
and then maybe you can challenge. But when South Africa,
Yeah.
for them to go to the World Cup, they must play against maybe Brazil friendlies, Brazil.
Yeah.
Because if you play against Nigeria and then you win,
There's
then
no
you
like,
think,
we're not different. Yeah, I get you.
Okay, so that's why you have to challenge like a European team
Yeah.
that is stronger and says, okay, let's just
big team.
so you're testing your squad basically.
yes.
Ukota
Okay,
kubona
okay.
tilipolo ku. Okay.
We can fix
Yeah.
South Africa nakamele nje friendly yakube Spain nje. Ake bathole.
Like anyeke uzothatha South Africa idlalise ne team yala around. You know ukuthi obvious izo outstanding leyo team there izo win. And then awukwazi ukubona ukuthi kumele ulungise phi. You need a strong challenge to see ukuthi okay, shoot abafana balekha la.
Yes.
And then about the coach, are you guys happy?
Okay,
Yeah.
bengifuna ukubuza.
Oh, yeah.
Bekumele futhi sikhulume nge-squad before ama-score prediction. Are you guys happy nge-final squad le ayi-choosile?
For me na anko happy shot uThembi Nkosi Lodge.
Yeah.
Alamfana nalibamba liyeke lo yabafithu. Unani niyabona ngaphandle.
Experience anayo.
Mfethi baya. Nani niyabona
Your
ngaphandle.
experience goes a long way.
Yabo.
Yabona ngiyabona ama-fans baya argue ukuthi umisa uThemba Mshishi futhi la season like akadlalanga ama-game abaya. So uchoose uThemba over
Yeah.
So mara mina I get it's because of experience uThemba anayo.
Yeah.
He's been there, done that, yabo. So ufuna le experience leyo ukuthi aze nayo lapha eteamini. So I feel like abantu sometimes basebenzisa ama
Favoritism or something.
yeah.
And then
As for
sorry,
as for Lodge,
Yeah.
Lodge besimdini.
Yeah.
Phela uLodge already nalakho uyashisa.
yeah, as much as they're still fielding him like that, yeah, you can tell when
Uyashisa.
the boy is
Like
good.
I
The
think
boy is good.
besimnida. Let alone ukuthi whatever bayilwelayo no coach
Hey.
but besimnida uLodge squadini. And futhi again uPeterson uGosi ushise ku game yePirates kuphela. The rest was history. Peterson like you guys Peterson like as kumenqiniso even if Maro savile even nama points now ayasikhulumela ama games wadlalile especially against the Pirates Mamelodi Sundowns against those Khukhune like he showed up.
Yeah, true.
So why athatha uGhost ngokuGhost into esoyisho ngaye this season ukuthi ushisile against the game Pirates uba yenze ukuthi bayikhalele ipoint points azange bayithola ushisile nama can agree with that 100%. But why ayenze kanjalo because ku-interview uthi it's because akayazi uPeterson that much so you have to know iplayer ukuze iplayer lingene esquadini.
Angithi coach lo
Ucoach uthe kade akana inkinga noPeterson but uPeterson akamazi ngaleyo ndlela.
Kanti if
Udlale I think before
badlale 2 games for him to say that that's crazy.
Training so angeke I choose Peterson because akamazi.
Okay, I do understand which it's fine. Maybe via training wise, you haven't seen the guy playing and everything. But like, because you're a coach, don't you do your
bias uko
yeah, your task, your
umbokazi uzikhulumele ulibhalile igama lakhe wazikhulumela ukuthi uya deserve ukuba ku squad. Why uPeterson Mela zamazi in person ukuthi okay umuntu osokuza azoqualify ukuthi abe ku squad.
Yeah.
You get
but like,
I'm happy, but even if they got some bench, but I feel like for nokuthi amboost like confident. Nalento abayenzile ukuthi bahambe nabantu whereas they already know ukuthi abantu abachoosiwe yilabantu. Mara basaya nabo kule yanto ye standard band tonton. Basayo choose ama play. What about confidence or spirit salaba basele
shit.
At least if bebabatshelile ukuthi final squad ile. You understand? Not ukuthi bayo like I feel like bekungamelanga bayenze lento.
But okay, back to your coach for doing favoritism and then benching other players, saying as much as we know these players who have been performing for the last season and whatnot, like these coaches, don't they watch other games like okay, it's Buddha, okay, 6, this is how you're holding, 10, this is how you are doing these things. Like you can't be saying I mean, I haven't seen you playing and everything, but like the guy has been performing for the past 3-4 games that you've been playing.
Mina, yes, I know people are upset squad maybe but take one bar wrong.
Yeah.
But reasoning your coach, you remember Spain 2010.
Yeah.
It was made up of Barcelona players and few Real Madrid players.
Yeah.
So you need to have players from the same league.
Okay.
Because they know each other, they understand each other.
Yeah.
You see now South Africa, it has 8 players from Pirates, 8 players from Sundowns.
From Sunderland.
So it's gonna be easy for them to gel a game in. No, I've played with this person. I know him.
I know how he attacks. I know.
It's. I believe it's strategy. Coach I'm taking these players from the same team.
Yeah.
Same players from the. So I understand reason why Peterson and something. It makes sense. Yes, Peterson was good for Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay.
But he's never been cash squad South Africa. It's only been Williams, Goss, and Jane. All 3.
Yeah.
So I don't think Coach wrong.
I mean, I feel like bias. You know, I good time you need Vuma or man, and it's got to pronounce like goalkeeper. Like good time perform. Good time be done at squad. Even though I'm benching, but good time be done at squad. I'm TV that much.
No, what are you going another chance? Because after this World Cup, Coach Wafama. So hopefully the next coach will select.
Talent. What's him
Go.
And we needed them, especially
for experience.
Go.
Like so, the season they would like how many games? So I feel like even though I know experience, but then by 16 need abantu esazi they will give us something.
Okay, because we don't have higher hopes on our national team, do you think we're gonna make to like
knockouts?
No, like semi-finals or the finals. And because it seems like we don't have any.
You know.
Yeah.
I feel like it's like into competition, but I said like strong competition
to
test Bafana.
They can play that much.
One understand.
Yeah.
So I mean, maybe the collector, maybe 3 points.
And then knockout.
Yeah, I think
3 points this qualification. Never yet had the knockout.
Obvious.
So you need at least 4 points for your next round. Because I get it's 2 teams per group.
1 win,
and
1
then
draw.
Third best, Balaba 8 teams. Third best. Yeah, number 3, the best.
Yeah.
Depending with the points and goals.
Because Bonana says the stupid mistake I think it's like in a Jamaica.
Yes.
It draw.
I'm not sure. Draw 1-0 win. Barcore a police, so I'm not.
You didn't watch the game.
Because Milan one of the highlights.
But 1-0 or 1-1.
I'm not sure. It's like in Panama.
Panama. 1-1 and then 2-1.
one.
So like the high hopes style, I think that low very like.
Very low.
I feel like
if you made it, it's like
imani
because it's
Foster,
equal.
like Foster. Mina nibon like
Like,
no, like truly speaking, anibon. You need abantu like you know go. Uthama ubona tell B.
Yeah.
Lokho me ball
Yeah.
na scoop. You know kuloko omnyika that space.
Wapa.
Uta like wabona talent embatha. Lokho omnyika that space. Yile ne team. So while it Foster, I mean I feel like anga need me for me personally. Abantu abalambile guys. Abantu besazi ukuthi uyabona uRenas. Makangena uyabona man abo police so yabo abo ngona sesi ke egcineni masesike uyivala ngona sesi naye is the best mara yabo lapha egcineni mara Foster I feel like yes.
I got you. So you're saying it's gonna open another space when this coach is gone?
Yeah,
For the squad.
yeah.
Okay.
Surely maybe we're gonna have squad reshuffle. Maybe Peterson, Law, maybe down more.
Mothembi Nkosi Lord.
And then Ndwana, do you think we're gonna make it to the finals? It kisses somewhere there. Yeah, but like at least now we hear that. But like, I thought this is gonna be on field. But like she plays is good.
Now winning the World Cup,
Yeah.
we are still far from.
Yeah.
Very far.
So ngona mihleta ku itaya like
I think the best they can do is go figure out the knockout the first round, and then that's it. But final or winning the World Cup, no, it's not happening anytime soon. At least if we win AFCON, maybe I can say I World Cup soon I win because AFCON I get it. It's only African teams, so you need to beat those African teams before utlangana Spain and Brazil.
the team tala Africa yini nga qualify
10. Yeah, the South Africa.
ikona Nigeria
No.
in
Cape Verde.
lo wa defender number 2 bambala ku red I think umkhithi yawona
Morocco.
red yeah
Equal.
qualifying
Yeah, we have 10 African teams.
Interesting. We have a chance. Okay, guys.
kahle kule World Cup usikhape yini France ne Argentina
Spain.
plus last World Cup une Argentina ngithi against
So like what Nigeria about qualifying?
yeah footman bheka yipi team ezoyithatha
I mean, I think it's Spain. Nangaba ni Spain.
Yeah.
Spain.
siyashisa
Yeah, could give me but like positive spoiler. What you know when
Spain's better players.
you must act like you're there, man. You must be part of it.
Spain.
No, man, that was a little taste.
Argentina.
So guys,
swaknyana
that was a little taste of what's coming on 18 area, guys. He's the host. He's gonna have. I'm interested on like how you know. I think you should join 18 area. So you must jump.
because ni tama ni updated nilandela bo SABC Sport
Yeah, which is good because now you have to say, you know.
much about football.
You know, man. Come on. Zbuda. Here's another member of 18 area. Because you're cooking, bro, honestly. Like for you to have that say and like, yo, this and this and this and the coach and having like, that's what we
No, it's
need.
because I follow football.
Yeah. Now I hear you.
I mean, I don't people who need that.
If one of
No, but like honestly speaking, I think you should do 18 area. We have to sharpen no cap and 18 area. So now even me, I don't know too much about soccer. He knows. But like somehow I Fagaza when we are at way. So he was like, okay, at least you have like a clue here and there. So now I'll be forced to watch the games so we can have like commentary on it, a take and stuff. So I think you should join it in here. We must separate in here as well. I think if you can get one more or two more, then we have to be good. We rate guys, then we remind each other that the team is playing today, it's such and such, and so we can have some operation on his show. Sure. Yeah, man. Guys, we're still on top of this operation to like the foreigners type shit and everything. Not so long. Type shit and they killed. There's a boy, I think in Sambo, who was killed in the Eastern Cape. Do you think this thing is doing any justice, or now people are getting what is this thing?
When it's all
yeah, which he is a foreigner also. So do you think this the Dula movement is it doing any justice, or now people are gonna attack other people just like when you always have that thing or that hatred, let's say towards like vendor spinning people for an example. Then now, because now now it's a thing. Now you take that hatred into vendor people. Don't you think this thing is going there, guys?
It's getting out of hand.
It's getting out of hand.
I feel like abophakela umthakathi baya understand movement. Yithi esingayi-understand because mawungezwa bathi dewe uthi lo mama lo bayakokota ngaze erumini umamakhe.
Okay.
Nabakokota erumini shuthi lo umXhosa bamyeka lo the makakhuluma isitsonga baba phezu kwakhe for isitsonga umtsonga. I feel like abantu abamnyama sometimes abanye ngathi bonke come from like small minded. Abakwazi ukucabanga outside. Yabo because bengigibela itaxi day before khona ulinye olele ngicaba lo mngane wami ukuthi nje like umnyama dark skin. So uCumashelo yawo angazi ukuthi oruvele wamlanda athi uhamba nini wena uhamba nini.
Hey, yazi sinabodaki. Yabona mina nje ngibhakanya lokugcina ngekhala nje. Ukuthi bayabona balabathi exactly.
Zasha idate izohamba lemfene. And like ucishe like lo mama lo wa retaliate and ngoba mina ngiyamazi ngicishe ngambamba. Kanti kuzofika omunye
okay.
Kanti kuzofika omunye uCumashelo adonsa lo Cumashelo lo bahamba. Like igama lemfene just because skin tone sakhe si scream
naked.
Yeah. Uyabo. So I feel like mayithola umuntu ola ongekho right.
Vela uhamba ubona wena utaxi driver right like
mara bakini abantu la abaqwala baka mayimali lapha badlinyama bakini
azange sibasangena ngithi manje yabona ukuthi bacekela obuzulu phansi
but there's
abahambi nabo kamele senze yabo
but there's a lot of taxi drivers who have been crying. Okay, there's a lot of taxi drivers that have been crying. Which 70% of our businesses is because foreigners are taking our taxis to town, to wherever.
Yeah.
Apagila ma taxis, buddy. There's no service, baba. Kumele uchekisa. I 1.4, I own a full. You get. That is a scattered or Lexi, there's nothing. So I think now you are right when you're busy saying now it's out of hand and I heard now they even go around and ask for IDs now.
So let's have a special ID. Shoot wala nje umumu kumele uyiphathe ihlale la.
Buza labo ngisebenza manje ngiyithethi vele songena because I feel like iJozi it's a center of yonke lento because kuna yonke inhlobo yomuntu ophuma yabo outside basimele siphatha ama ID. For what?
Basibisela ka apartheid muskanjalo.
Mara ngithi basifundela wathi Africa ngazo South Africa it's for everyone who lives in it.
Honestly, this thing is not fair. I know we have foreigners in Nigeria, but we all black people. Nigerians, they are known for drugs.
And
it's
it's cutting us name for to crime.
Like most.
So why do you have black people and then Hilaguba chase her out And then when we have white people, foreigners, we call them tourists. It's not right. Nabona, they are foreigners. They must just, so as black people, we must just be, we don't know the reasons why, but
They-
to me from.
But like I got a theory, guys. So I got a theory, guys. Ne? The Nigerians that we have are the bad ones. It's not like almost for real. It's not like everything like Nigerians. The ones that we have are the bad ones. Like for real. That's why like human trafficking, drugs, like sex slaves and whatnot. So us we only have the bad ones. That's why when we think about Nigers, it's not like drugs, human trafficking, exactly. So it's because us we have the bad Nigerians and whatnot. So of course,
I mean, I feel like nanoma ngabe sibamnyama. You know endaweni ezifana nabo America. In order ukuthi ube lapha uba nama document.
of course.
And if uzohlala for 3 months, uba naleyo nto leyo esho ukuthi okay, if we are extend, kumele uhambe ulandele umthetho.
Ukuthi guys,
so
I'm still
why
here.
thina
Yeah,
singakwazi
yeah.
ukwenza kanjani? Like uthola especially it's either Mozambique. Ezifana nala ingane ilethu seseyincane maybe nabo ma 12 years iyeke isikole izofundisa ukhasile. Why ingayeki isezweni layo ifundisa ukhasile ezweni layo? It's because they know ukuthi ziningi indlela zokuthola imali la eSouth Africa. And you know abantu bathanda izinto angeke ngithi eSouth Africa, but umuntu uthanda izinto. Yabo. So I feel like umuntu ongekho legal akahambi.
Then I ulungisa
like akahambi. Yeah. Uzobuya abasho ukuthi abafuna inhlobo. Bafuna abantu abalegal. Because uthola nakule I think bebashaya ivideo uphakela umthakathi ye 60 seconds le yase Checkers, you know le yanti.
Yeah.
Kugcwele bona.
Yeah, mostly to be honest, yabona when it's come to Ikuta each and every delivery. And our case no case. Mostly, bro, like mostly I can say 80% or 90% are people who are coming from outside the country.
So it's like you see
but case.
siya invite kupheke life yethu abahambi kusala asisho ukuthi bonke olegal olanga ngomthetho akasale ala because benza into ezwrong. Bafida amantombazane wala eSouth Africa ama drugs. Uthola ukuthi umuntu uthengisa umzimba. Leyo mali leyo maybe 80% eka ok. Yena uyakholelwa well to sebenzisa umzimba wakhe to do whatever. So like mabahambi
nangomunye masuphenduka ugogo ngokulalela night.
You get.
No, but like I think that one I think it's and I wanted to talk about that and then you skip it. Thank you for reminding me. I think that thing it's a sickness. Yeah, but it's a sickness.
Why is it
sickness? It is a sickness, bro.
Have you ever
there's a boy I think I did send on the group. There's a boy who had that thing. He was even wearing a watch or whatever. I do have it on my thing.
Is it a video on TikTok?
No.
Why is it for Nigeria?
Yeah, why?
I feel like
it's not like I'm not sure which Ulala because the boyfriend is still there.
Yeah, most good dangerous cause.
He's still there and he's even saying Gucci Mina Gatandana Naik say Lon. Go to Jigi Labo Coco doesn't matter Mina Satan. That's why I'm even saying Gucci. I'm not even sure. It's just that Mawezi isn't but Abantu just still remember there was a time where they say when you sleep with a Nigerian, you puma ibungu. those things happens.
Ezinye
Yeah,
amaqiniso.
mara zenzekile vele njengalo
That's
chini
an
lena Nigeria.
80% yokulala. Hayi. Nigeria, most of the time awulali nabo straight, ulala nezinto abathwele.
Yes.
Those people like mina ngiyabona emsebenzini mabashopha aba-check nama-price ukuthi le
Bayathatha nje.
umuntu azathi hayi quality ayikho right achieve adonse sinye ibhaskiti abantu mina I know ukuthi mangena umuntu wangaphandle plus minus 2 or 3,000 azoyispenda and hayi nokuthi khona la ahlephuka
I feel
wena mozospenda 2,000
discount uzoyifuna.
Hamba ne-calculator.
kusela nabantwana ukuthi ningangihluphi nabana ngispende malini so labantu laba bayaspenda bayitholaphi mina mangiyogibela abantu ngidlula abaphuza amabhodlela serious bayaphuza
Hayi magodons.
maybe kodwa bageza ngayizandla
Yabo.
bayitholaphi imali
Who's my XO?
they are bad for our country guys angazi sonke singabantu
Sibona
abamnyama
ifi-
even kule show ka bani nomjita lo olanda labantu abathengisa ama-drugs 95%
X-rip or something.
lo fana no extra
Oh, lo Mr. Mlode. Not
not Mr. Mlodo. Mr. Mlodo ulanda abantu aba-addicted.
Yeah.
Lo landa maybe if uyathengisa uzwile maybe ukuthi usithole yathengisa uzoza
Xolani.
yeah think uxolani yeah naye ixolani aboxolani boyithula
Oh yeah.
naye ixolani
Xolani X-rip xolani no.
yeah 98% ama-Nigeria
Sizokuthola. Yeah.
98% ama-Nigeria abantu bangaphandle.
Hey, guys, hey, I don't know, man. Zbola, if it was you, Tandana Nomuntu, such a disease come, and then now she's a granny. What are you doing? I want to know about this, guys. This is serious, guys. You know, Uguchi, Cheriang,
Ngaziheka mina.
I'm coming to you.
Obviously, find Kuri what happened. If the reason about a granny is because we clean a moon, like.
Mara guys asibini uthando la ngempela lwaphela le mandulo ezikathini zakudala. I feel like manje uthanda umuntu because of the way angakhona.
Okay.
Yomthelelo ukuthi uzube ku relation. Once kwashintsha namanga.
You are out.
Alukho uthando. Yi last.
Out.
Namanga ubamshiyeka kusenele.
Afuna nokuthi achaze. Qamba manje.
So,
Vele hamba ngasafuthi.
Qamba manje.
sometimes you're saying when you're out, you see somebody.
I feel like alukho uthando. Like imagine manje ujola noma pakisha. Mawuthi ibhuku liyaphephezela. Angeke ufune ukwazi nokuthi okay ukuthi bekanesibuni ngoba bekajova manje akasajovi ngoba ufuna ukuba nomntana nawo awusenandaba wena ngeke hayi azothina ama-hours so asibende iqiniso
uzovela uhethe nakakhulu ukuthi bathe amvithisi
so asikhulumeni iqiniso guys uthando leli lokubekezela hayi selwaphela kudala.
Okay, so when baby love, such a things happens, you are out now.
hayi mina njani
I wish ukuthi lona ugogo wami lona. Ngiyathandana naye lona. Ugogo wami lona siyayiphusha lento le.
Ngithole shamafu kamama ngihlali mina la okay if you see if abe right umuntu yena mase yena akwenze lokho for mina semhlabeni la sithole
I hear you, brother. I hear you.
Uringivala phela manje sithole mawahlala nogela usebenza yonke into i-grand ithi kusasa ulahlekelwa umsebenzi awusakwazi nokuthenga ubaba kasebenzi ushukela omngane sekayaqala sekathi yo yabo kancane uyasithole uyangibhora uvela afuna ukungibamba hayi mina ngibambe ngathi uyangithuluka manje ngibamba because lanto leyo bekalibele menza ukuthi abe ayisekho.
hawu manje
So what's more? Uyaphela.
Isigogwana sami, guys. Ngiyasilayela nje.
I still believe in true love.
Shout out to Buddha.
I mean, I feel like true love because ibe khona. It's because khona ugainayo from another guys. Ayisa exist lento le.
Hayi that.
Angithi siyasho ukuthi like aba-believer sinamuntu.
Phela nawe ezi-out uzojola nogela kubekezelele ukuthi awusebenzi. Ube uyokuphandela, kuphandela. Sase uyasebenza umbona ungathi sekayabhola. Exactly.
No, but like that
No,
was
like
not the plan from the get-go.
Yeah. So
was
now
not the plan.
imagine so hlale naye yabona ukuthi slowly fading away. Mawuthi. So ucala nokusaba ukuya naye makule lapho benokha nisibhora.
Look, Ntwana, mina I like I agree with Uspuda when he says true love when if things get worse, it get worse. So if ever, for an example, if you still need some smashing and stuff, and alone she can't, you're born with dehydrated, she can't drop a manzi. When you still wanna, you know, I think the best way is to sit down. Madam, you're born with the situation. Hear me out. But I'm not. Hear me out. You sit down. Don't try. You're born and I can't you sit down now. You're born son. But yo, this is a situation. I'm not leaving you. I'm by your side till death. Do you hear me out? Do you allow me to do some operations? If she does allow you, it's okay.
And the so yacabanga ukuthi yo umazethi uyalibamba yabona umazethi akameni nokuthi livuke uyalidlalisa livuke ubheki ngapha yazi mara beside jokes don't get my thinking ngahlala.
Yes, but it's not like she's cheating on you. It's a sickness. This person have a condition. She didn't do anything wrong. This person didn't do anything wrong.
Thinking about condition minds will last forever.
Yeah. But Ntwana, you see, that's where you guys talk. You talk things out. You say, okay, here's the situation right now. There's no operation that's going to happen.
And especially if uthi wena kuye, okay, cela kuvumela ukuthi operate, okay, uzo-operate ubashintshe. Khona lo ozolibela operator naye. Ila i-danger iqala khona.
No, Ntwana, you're not
Fana nokuthi ucheat.
Ntwana, you want someone who's going to be there. Like now I'm going out. It's like it's table level.
Icabange sibusisa. Ila uzoqala manje seka compare ukuthi mangilele nalo ya mayivuka ayikho into ayenza and hayi ngoba angafuni ukuthi akakhoni. Mara mangilele noma sethayo isheshela uzoqala ucompare. It's human nature uzoqala compare.
Hayi nangiyale baba no. Cheka kukile. Hayi.
So ukuthi nana lo wasesoweja umthanda ukufika lapha.
Hayi Sithole.
Hayo abasi.
Uzimbuza njalo. Lokho. Uyasho no.
Sithole umlanda personally.
Ngithe ubaby love. Now ubekeze example. Uthe wena you're not chilling.
Sithole umlanda
You're out. So now
I'm out.
Ngisho naye unamanga.
Yabo Sithole.
Uzobathakaza azomtshela ukuthi
no, guys.
Bebazocabanga besifasa hlangane nabo phethi Ntwana
Okay, guys, People's Funny Show, guys. Spuda, do you have anything here that you have to say to people who are looking forward for 18 area?
If as Sithole did say, Kuri, if there's anyone close by, if you want to join 18 area, then you're more than welcome. Because this thing, the Boruani, gets tiring.
Yeah.
So at least if there's someone else.
angihlala interview into eyi-1 ngendlela
That's true. That's why I was like, yo, Nsako, you gave me some light, even though like I don't know much about soccer, but like because you were saying it, it's like all of us, we are into this thing together, you know. Even if us, we are just vibing.
Yes, because
there's nothing here. What about Shega before the show? Today, aren't you supposed to play?
ngiqumbe sithola ungayibuzi ngoba usengikhuluma
bakushiye ebholeni
Ntsako yabona yazi ezinye izinto abo coach asenza ukuthi siluze la for football.
Yeah, that's where I was going.
Ngivuka ekseni sithole
And even now, we're talking about the coach. You still remember? Okay, please cook.
Sithole ngiyagula ne mina ayikho into engiyenzela izamblo. Yabona le team le asithole mina ngiphethe ama period pain, ngiphethe izinto. Mina ibhola ngithanda to that point ngiyaya. But namhlanje ke ngoba ngiphendula ngiWhatsApp bayangishiya. Maqeda lapho bazongubela. Ubi ingehlise Shoprite. Sithole I had to walk. Ngishise yilanga again futhi libele ngishisile. Yazi ne yabona iphuzo
ababona ukuthi yena bone mfana wami bamshisise ngelanga bashisa skini
at least if belingishisa ngidlala
yeah I hear you
how yazi Ntsako kenzakaleni shop ne bathi sihlangana ngo12 ne sihamba ngo 12:30
yeah ngibonile imessage
yes okay sharp ayimlo ngihleli phela mina yazi ngivuke ngo8 okay ngivuke ngo5 ngenza ukudla because mina yes
Hey, Jesus level. Hey, blood of Jesus. Waking overtime. Okay, sorry.
Yashapho ngihambe mina u1:30 lokhuzana 12 ngishayele ngise complex eground is straight kanti bona imoto imengali bangishiya mabaqeda usho ukuthi umxhosa ungitextile kwahamba iTK1 makhamba iTK1 uyabona ukuthi angikho endlini anginadatha yabo bangishiye likely bekhona ulethi lapha yami sibabuza ukuthi kanti kenzakalani bapha abantu sihambile yo uyathi yabona mulahliwe sithole okubadlele
yeah I know that pain the general's level hey Gela hey Gelas thinking about your style hey operation I know that pain but yeah I hear you
ngishafenda ayishapho hambe ngithi ngichange ne shapho mangichange ayibo wangifonela ucoach lo intombazana athi kanti why manje ungaze gaming uyazi yashota siyadinga mfethu
why bakushiya
awubuzi qala ukuthi kwenzakaleni uchamuka songijika nje athi okay ke ngicela ukukubela hayi shapho ngivume ngoba vele ngifuna ukudlala ngiyagula sithola ngiphethe isibhono ngivume ube baqeda bazongitshela umxhosa azongitshela ukuthi ngisho phela mangafuni bazoyeka because uba driver beka lost
yo
ngize ngayale ngase Freedom Primary ngashiswa ilanga nyogibela ngani maqeda lapho kanti bamfakele address wrong ukuthi angehlise va masifika lapha eShoprite udrive uthi angeke mfethu uyehlika angeke i-ride nalama kilometers esowahamba I correspond imali melibe phezulu because kukude la siyakhona yabo angimtshela ngithi it's fine ke fork by cancel abese ngiyela no ex lapha emotweni ngimtshela ngithi coach ayibaba ngiyayeka ayi ngisacrifice kakhulu ngafrele and ngikwati yabona mase vuki cela uyivala
okay all right and then
Ntsako sabuyela diskin
ngishayipho manje
Ay, mina bafethu akusekho engingakusho bafethu yasibona nje support guys ngiyazi ngeke siye ukumbonga support yenu yesibeka la iye yenza ukuthi sizi social guys for me so thank you kubantu abafana nabo ngisekhona you know uhlala la nakuma silent viewers nje siyabonga guys
Much love.
Ntwana
Mina mfethu into namhlanje ngizothi don't go for looks, go for the brains because you can't find a better person to
mara ubuhle maphelo uthi wena uzohamba
Ntwana ume ngobuhle uzama ukuthi FTD.
yeah and then Ntwana for the last for people who are watching you for the last time here you don't know which you be unless if ukhona uthini kubalandeli yabo sisizego who was vouching for you.
How yes guys including supporting our squad some guys.
Yeah. So yeah man, we are out guys. No, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell every time we drop guys. You'll be notified guys. If ever you are watching guys, sneakers a like. Those celebrities guys, they don't give a F about you. We do. So if you comment, we're gonna mention you as much as we're mentioning Lesejo, as much as we are mentioning a lot of people, what no matter who else. Yeah man, the regulars guys. So please guys, comment, like, and then do all the good things. Press the notification every time when we drop guys. 18 era is coming. Stay tuned. Away.